So this furnace turns out it's like 35 years old. It's a gas furnace, high efficiency. And we knew it was older when we bought the house. It wasn't really a factor. It wasn't anything we factored in. Although I was hoping it would continue to work for several years, giving us time to decide what else we want to do. And I'm not a fan of natural gas. I never have been. I probably never will be. It's just the way I am. I don't know why, ever since I was younger. I do appreciate the heat of them, but the problem here is this thing has cost money every year. For the last 5 years, every year we've had to put money into it. And last year was $500. The year before, I think it was $250. Then there was like an $80 one, and then maybe a $25 year. And this year it doesn't want to run. It'll run for like 7 minutes and then shut off, and then it'll try to restart right away. It'll light the flame and then it'll run for a bit, and it just continues to go out. It could be, so the most likely thing was the flame sensor from what I was reading. Ordered a brand new one, put it in, and that's not doing it. Now, then I looked at some more sites, and the pressure gauge might be the cause. Last year we had to change the pump, which wasn't cheap. So all in all, this has been kind of a headache for me. I'm not really a gas furnace person, so I don't really want to be messing around with it, and I really don't want to hire an expert every time to do these things. And yes, natural gas is inexpensive theoretically, but if you're putting $250 to $500 into your furnace every year, well, there goes a bunch of your savings theoretically. So, and the ductwork, gobs of ductwork down here, because it's forced air. So we made a big decision. We're going with infrared electric heaters. We're going to be putting 3 of them down here, which I'm thinking will run right along here. And we'll talk more about the infrared, but you can go on websites and read about it. It's not the first time we're using it. We used it in Lewistown, and they're cool. Will it cost more per month? Maybe. Not sure. We'll know more later, because we're probably not going to heat this building as much. And theoretically, you don't have to heat it as much and still feel comfortable. So we'll see how that goes. What I was holding off on was this dinosaur electric service, which needs to be changed, and it will be changed. This is going to force me to change it even faster. But for now, what I'm going to do is steal the dryer line, which is a 20 amp. And, well, actually, that's all I need for right now. I just need the dryer line to run these 3 downstairs. So I'm really excited. All this duct work will be removed. This whole furnace will be removed. I don't know if we can salvage any of it. I don't think anybody's going to want to buy an old furnace, but we'll look into the options. I'm sure the metal can be all salvage yard. Maybe I can sell it. Maybe there's people that want this duct work. I don't know, but we'll cross that bridge. We're not going to need the water pump anymore. So it's exciting to me because this is, I mean, just look at it all. Okay, that's all I have to say for right now. I'm gonna go clean up some stuff. Well, not clean up, pick up some stuff for winter prep. Fortunately, we're into November here, November 8th, and the weather's been good. So I was really lucky there. It gave me more time to think about this. I did order the heaters this morning, and they're saying they're probably going to be shipped out tomorrow morning. So They will be in our hands fairly soon. And once I get them up, I can start ripping this stuff out. So say goodbye to all this ductwork.